This is Ahmed Mohammadi, CEO of Hawaii Luxury Yachts. We are located in Hawaii with a lot of clients who we have been selling real estate products to, and now we're going to do surf and turf. So we're going to provide them yachts, luxury yachts from Fountaine Pajot. I have the pleasure of having partnership with President of Fountaine Pajot ACY in San Diego. And I'd like to introduce Rick Day to you today and ask him to share with you Fountaine Pajot philosophy and also direction in terms of providing a facility that our clients can be served first class. Rick?
Oh, great. Thanks, Ahmed. I'm looking forward to working with you and your clients from Hawaii. Fountaine Pajot is a French company, and they build these wonderful catamarans from 40 feet to 80 feet, both the sailing version, like we're sitting on here, and the power version as well. The boats are built with the ideas of they're well lit, they're very open, they are very comfortable, and they are performance oriented catamarans. So we are the West Coast dealer, and then we have another whole company that is owned by ACY called Waypoints Charters. And so we have some interesting business yacht ownership models that your clients may be interested in seeing.
Rick, one of the things I've been sharing with our clients is the tremendous amount of tax benefits when they purchase these yachts, i.e., with bonus depreciations and Section 179. I believe that our chartering program will provide a facility for these clients to take advantage of that tax program by deploying these yachts in a chartering manner, whether in San Diego or in Bahamas. Would you comment on that a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely. So during the COVID years, Chris Bent, who's the CEO of ACY, had the foresight to buy some chartering businesses, which, as you can imagine, were suffering at that time with people just not being able to leave their homes. But they put together a business yacht ownership program so that the boat goes into an LLC that's controlled by the client. And what's interesting and different about what they're doing with Waypoints and what ACY is doing versus the standard charter companies is that it's really a minimal amount of times that the boat will be chartered. So it's really for the high net worth, high net income individual that would like the write-off, but they don't want to have their boat in a charter fleet somewhere getting beat up, getting used every week. And so Waypoints is really a boutique charter outfit that takes as much care of the boat and keeping it perfect for the owner as they do in getting a little bit of revenue and reducing the ownership expense for the boat.
Awesome. Rick, I also understand that we're working together to develop this awesome first-class client service for Hawaii clients as well as San Diego clients, where we can offer total maintenance for the yachts, whether they're in chartering or they're here for using as a pleasure yacht. Would you comment on that as to how you're facilitating and this bringing this beautiful picture together for our clients where they can enjoy their yachts and not worry about maintenance, whether it's warranty maintenance or just taking care of day-to-day usage of the yacht?
Well, thanks. I think that most people look at the idea of a boat and they don't use the boat too often, but when they get to the boat, they want it to be nice. They want it to be a nice experience. And so when you sell someone a boat that's new to the industry, they've got to find somebody that can clean the boat, that can test the systems, that can check on the refrigeration, check on the hydraulics and the electrical systems and everything that is required to keep the boat in good condition. And so several years ago, I put together a program for people where they could just write us one check. All of that is taken care of. And I think the best endorsement that I ever had was a guy from Phoenix, Arizona, who came to California. And he said, the best thing I like about your program is that I don't have to wait 3 hours before I can have my first glass of wine.
That's awesome. That means we can provide our clients with a first-class customer service where they can enjoy their yacht, their investment, and not have to worry about day-to-day operations. I also wanted to appreciate you and thank you for coordinating this event on the first demo yacht that you personally made an investment in. Make sure that the customers can experience the Fountaine Pajot products and see the quality of the products that as we have this event coming up tomorrow evening. Would you comment on that as well?
Well, sure, yeah, it's an invitation only event to some of our best prospects. You really only need one buyer for a boat like this that's going to sell for $1 million to a 45-foot boat. But we like to make it a special event and show them the boat and have time to talk with them and understand their business objectives as well as their travel and vacation objectives. And so it'll be a nice event here at Shelter Island Marina tomorrow, Friday, October 18th, starting from 3 p.m. and going to 7:30. And then on Saturday, we'll take the boat out and go sailing for a couple hours so people can really feel the performance of the boat, which is much different than any charter cat that I've ever experienced before.
We appreciate the invitation. In fact, we have the pleasure of having a couple of our clients to attend this event. Brian Buffini, which is very excited about Fountaine Pajot products, as well as Matthew Kilger, who's going to join us. We just appreciate so much that you coordinate these things, you make the investment that's needed for our clients to see and feel the products, so this way they can make an intelligent decision. We appreciate the partnership and looking forward to work with you and your team for many years to come.
Oh, thanks for trusting me with that. I look forward to it also.
Okay. Aloha.
Aloha.